I just got this mini wax heater kit for my review, and this thing basically has a big ear on it, but it's not just for ears. And it's a hair removal kit. Now, they say kit because it comes with literally everything. I'm no stranger to these things. I've pulled my nose hair before with these big kits, but this one is different, and I'll tell you why it actually is different. Because it comes with the little wax beads that you get to melt. So previously, I used to literally have a big block of wax in a little pot, and I'd put it in the microwave, and they'd say, okay, well, make sure that it melts. And inevitably, every single time, I would burn myself because I'm running a microwave, right? So you never know exactly what you need to do. You can't really touch the wax and all that stuff. Well, this is really cool because they give you the actual melter or little thing where you're gonna actually put in here, connected to the USB. All of this comes in that little box, by the way. And we're gonna do this right now because I'm going to start it. It takes about 15 minutes, so they say, to get this thing started. Let's see if I wanna make sure that I can reuse, there you go. I can reseal it because that's a really good thing. I'm gonna use a little bit. I don't know how much to use. Look at this. I'm going to use it to do my nose hair.